Second one, penetration theory. Most of the industrial processes of mass transfer is unsteady state process. Unsteady state is nothing but concentration changes with respect to distance. In such cases, the contact time between phases is too short to achieve a stationary state or steady state. The non-stationary phenomena is not generally taken into account by the Flea model. Why? Why? Because the Flea model is a stationary model or steady state model. In the absorption of gases from bubbles or absorption by wetted wall column, the mass transfer surface is formed instantaneously and transient diffusion of the material takes place. This figure demonstrates the schematic of penetration model. Rising gas bubble, the liquid element are sliding down. Basic assumption of the penetration theory. First assumption, unsteady state mass transfer occurs to a liquid element so long it is in contact with the bubbles or other phase. Second one, equilibrium exists at gas liquid interface. Third one, each of liquid element stay in contact with the gas for same period of time. dC by dt is equal to dAB into dou square C by dou Z square. So this is the unsteady state equation in penetration theory. What is the boundary condition here? T is equal to 0, Z is greater than 0, C is equal to CAB. So T greater than 0, Z equal to 0, C is equal to CAI. It is convenient to work in terms of deviation variable. So deviation variable C dash is equal to C minus CAB. So the first equation can be written as dou C dash by dou T is equal to dAB into dou square C dash divided by dou Z square. So what is CAB? CAB is constant with respect to both T and Z. The boundary conditions are in terms of deviation variable. T is equal to 0, Z is greater than 0, C dash is equal to 0. Why? Because this is a deviation variable. T greater than 0, Z is equal to 0, C dash is equal to Ci dash. Why? Because Cai minus Cab. So T greater than 0, Z is equal to infinity, C dash is equal to 0. These are the boundary conditions. Boundary conditions are in terms of deviation variable. Boundary conditions are necessary and sufficient for equation 2, which is first order with respect to T, second order with respect to Z. The equation most convenient solved by method of Laplace transform. I hope all of you know about the Laplace transform used for the solution of unsteady state thermal conduction problem. Laplace transform is given by Laplace transform expression C1 dash is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus pt C dash into dt. This is the third expression. For our case, dou C dash by dou t is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e power minus pt dou C dash by dou t into dt. So this is the fourth expression. Third expression is a general expression for Laplace transform. Fourth expression for our case, C dash is replaced into dou C dash by dou t. Are you clear? So here, so this is fourth expression. So integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v dv. So for this case, u is equal to e power minus pt, dv is equal to dou C dash by dou t. So use this formula. So we get dou C dash bar divided by dou t is equal to e power minus pt into C dash 0 to infinity limit plus this is called uv, is it correct, plus integration of v du, p into integration of 0 to infinity e power minus pt C dash into dt. For this case, so first part is 0, second part, so constant is a p into c dash. What about the other thing? Integral 0 to infinity to e power minus pt into dt is equal to 1. So we get dou c dash bar divided by dou t is equal to p into c dash bar. So this is the expression for dou c dash bar divided by dou t. Laplace operator is independent of z. So this is our given expression. Dou c dash by dou t is equal to d into dou square c dash divided by dou z square. So here dou c dash divided by dou t already we have derived expression. P into c dash bar is equal to d into dou square c dash bar divided by dou z square. So the rearrange the expression, dou square c dash bar divided by dou z square is equal to p into c dash bar divided by dt. D comes to this side, is right. So then dou square c dash bar divided by dou z square. So this value comes to LHS side, minus pc dash bar divided by d is equal to 0. This is the sixth expression. Sixth expression is the ordinary second order differential equation. So solution of that expression, c dash bar is equal to b1 into e power root of p by d z plus b2 into e power minus root of p by d z. Are you clear? Okay. So here we have the boundary condition, z is equal to infinity to c dash is equal to 0. So we get b1 is equal to 0. Substitute b1 value, c dash bar is equal to b2 into e power minus root of p by d z. Why? Because b1 values are 0. So what is the b2 here? b2 is nothing but integration of 0 to infinity to cai minus cab e power minus root of p by d z. So the taking inverse Laplace transform, c dash is equal to ca minus cab. What is the c dash? Already we have ca minus cab, that is equal to, this is the inverse Laplace transform solution, cai minus cab error function of z by 2 into root of dt, or this value comes to this side, LHS side, ca minus cab divided by cai minus cab is equal to error function of z by 2 into root of dt. cab minus ca divided by cab minus cai is equal to error function of z by 2 into root of dab into t or d into t. So both are diffusivity. This is the ninth expression. What is error function here? Error function of x is equal to 2 by root pi integration of x to infinity to e power minus x square into ds. What is integration of 0 to infinity to e power minus x square into ds? That is equal to root of pi by 2. Error function goes to 1 to 0. What about the x? X goes to 0 to infinity. Are you clear? The concentration gradient is an uptime by differentiation of equation 9 with respect to z. So 1 by CA minus CAB dou CA by dou z equal to dou by dou z 2 by root pi integration of z by 2 root of dt to infinity e power minus z square by 4 into dt d of z by 2 into root of dt. Dou CA by dou z is equal to minus of CAI minus CAB 2 by root pi 1 by 2 into root of dt e power minus z square by 4 into dt. So the two 2's are cancelled. Finally we get dou CA by dou z is equal to minus of CAI minus CA naught 1 by root of pi dt e power minus z square by 4 into dt. The mass transfer at any position z at the time t is given by Na at t is equal to minus g into dou CA by dou z. Are you clear? Okay. So now we have the value dou CA by dou z. Substitute in this expression. Finally we get Na at t is equal to CAI minus CAB equal into root of d by pi t. Why? Because multiply with d, numerator is d, denominator is the root d, cancel. Finally we get root d only, is right, root of d by pi t e power minus z square by 4 into dt. Mass transfer rate per unit area of surface Na at T Z is equal to 0. So substitute Z is equal to 0 in the previous expression. What will happen? So this is the at Z is equal to 0 minus G into dou Ca by dou Z at Z is equal to 0. For this case, Na at T Z is equal to 0, Cai minus Cab root of d by pi t. Are you clear? Okay, Z is equal to 0 means e power minus z square by 4 into dt is equal to 0. So final expression Na at T Z is equal to 0 is equal to Cai minus Cab root of d by pi t. Are you clear? Okay. Yes. So here this expression molecular diffusion in liquid flux is equal to mass transfer coefficient into concentration difference. You compare with this expression. So which one is the mass transfer coefficient here? So this is the root of d by pi t. So the mass transfer coefficient for liquid here Kl is equal to root of d by pi t. This is the penetration theory mass transfer coefficient.